What plants need. When it rains, the root hairs on plant roots absorb the water. The absorbed water goes up the tubes in the stem called the xylem tube. Xylem is how to say xylem. Xylem, the xylem tubes in the stem take the water and minerals from the root cells to the leaves. Minerals. Oh, underlining. Minerals keep the plant healthy. Yeah, minerals keep you healthy. Minerals are to do with keeping things healthy. When the water, go earthquake. When the water gets to the leaves, it combines with carbon dioxide to make food. Respiration. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gets into the leaf through the microscopic holes under the leaf, called stomata. Stomata allow the carbon dioxide to diffuse in. Little holes allow the CO2 in the bottom of the leaf. The atoms in air diffuse because heat makes atoms randomly move about. Randomly. Yeah, 200 miles an hour, really fast. It's good that they're so tiny small that we can't feel them. You can't see them with microscopes. Well, the largest atoms you can see with tunneling electron microscopes. But you need hundreds of millions of dollars to buy one of those. Leaves absorb red and blue sunlight energy. Sunlight energy makes the water and carbon dioxide combine to make the food for plants called sugar. Sugar is the food for plants. Sugar. Ooh. Ooh-wee. There's some underlining. The food making reaction is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Underline. Green light is not used in photosynthesis, in the photosynthesis reaction. Green light is reflected off the leaves and the stems, making plants a green colour. Reflected. Yes, the blue and the red light are used by the leaf, and the green light is just thrown away. Photosynthesis is light, water and carbon dioxide making sugar and oxygen. Oxygen. Yes, if you put a plant and just shine green light on it, it won't be able to do photosynthesis and it will die. So don't do that. Well, okay, you can do it as an experiment, but don't do it lots. The oxygen leaves the leaves through the stomata by diffusion. Yes, also by diffusion. Diffusion. The sugar gets turned into starch, then stored in carrots and potatoes. Starch. Below -5 degrees C and above 45 degrees C, the chlorophyll that does photosynthesis stops working. Chlorophyll. Your body temperature, 37 degrees C, is the best temperature. Okay. Full stop. 37 degrees C is the best temperature for almost all animal and plant reactions. Yes, the only thing that doesn't want to be 37 degrees C is the testes. That's why they're on the outside of the body, because they need to be slightly cooler. Every minute of the day, animals and plants use oxygen for respiration. Yes, if testes are 37 degrees C, they don't produce, don't make sperm very well. They're not so good, not so viable. Respiration won't have babies. Respiration is oxygen reacting with sugar to make the energy for life. Animals and plants do respiration all day and all night. Only plants do photosynthesis, and only in the daylight. Yes, they need light to do photosynthesis. Plants make their proteins using the ground's minerals called nitrates. Nitrates. Yes, carbohydrates need carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Proteins need carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And sometimes a bit of phosphorus and other things, and nitrogen. You have to have nitrogen. The ground must also have potassium minerals and phosphate minerals. Phosphate. If the soil lacks nitrates, potassium, phosphates, or other minerals, add fertilizers. Fertilizer. Potassium from potash. Chemical fertilizers are not allowed on food called organic, so animal poo fertilizer is added to the soil. Yes, this is a problem when it's organic. What was the one that got a load of people in California ill? It was spinach. They sprayed poo onto the spinach and it was still on the leaves when people ate it. So, I'm all for organic when it comes to chickens and eggs and stuff. Not so much when it's plants, particularly leaves. Spinach leaves are really good for you. Eat leaves. So I'm very suspicious of organic ones because they went wrong one time. They might go wrong again. Maybe they never will go wrong again. Obviously the farmers don't want it to happen, so they're working on it. Water and minerals. There's lots of bad press when people are getting ill and dying from the food they've just bought off you. Water and minerals go from the root hairs up the xylem tubes in the stem to the leaves. Circle the 11 basic needs of a plant in pencil. Oh, I haven't got a pencil. Circle 2 products. I'll do it in pen. Circle 2 products of photosynthesis in green. Cross out 3. Hold on. Right, okay. Water. Yes. Water, plants need water. Oxygen, yes, they've got to do respiration. Phosphates, they need phosphates for their minerals. Red light, yes, they need red light. Hold on, where's green light? Green light, no, they don't need green light. Blue light, they need blue light. Acid, what? Well, that's chemistry. Argon, no, that's a noble gas that's in air, 1%, not needed by anybody. Hold on, how many do I have to cross out? Cross out 3. Oh, good. Well, I've done me 3. Circle 2 products. Oh, products. Oh, I'm going to rectangle them. I hope that's okay. Sugar is a product and oxygen. Oxygen is a product. Oh, dear. Oxygen is a product. They need carbon dioxide to do photosynthesis. Food. Hold on. Potassium. They need potassium to do photosynthesis. Nitrates. They need to do photosynthesis. And warm temperatures. They need to do photosynthesis. How many have I circled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? Oh dear. Right, okay, let's get rid of that one. And let's call it 8. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 2. Things they need. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3 products. A, B, C, carbon dioxide. No, oxygen, the products. Product, water. Oh, C. Whoops. That's 7. Okay, everybody there? God, that was hard work. Okay, for photosynthesis, plants need what Plants need water from the root hairs. Carbon dioxide from the air diffusing through the stomata. Red and blue light from the sun and warm temperatures for photosynthesis. You see that? Cool! Did you spot the one spelling mistake that I made on purpose for you to find? Did you find it? The one secret mistake? Put it down in comments if you found it. Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!